Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So far in today's video I'll be showing you how I use flaxseed for my hair growth and also to stop hair loss. This flaxseed, I'll be showing you 3 ways I use this flaxseed. Okay, flaxseed is enriched in omega-3 fatty acid that helps to promote hair growth. It helps to stop breakage. I use this treatment on my hair and I'm really amazed by the result I got. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So fam, please keep on watching. So fam, this is the flaxseed I'll be using. I'll be cooking this flaxseed. Okay, if you've tried cloves, fenugreek seed, any other herbs that is not really going well for you, try flaxseed in this way. These 3 ways, it's an amazing treatment for hair growth. So after the flaxseed is being cooked, I will strain it to get the gel, because we'll be using the gel for this pre-poo. This is a pre-poo I'm doing right now. I added onions and garlic and then ginger with the flaxseed gel. This is really potent. This helps to stop hair loss. Like if you are really having hair loss, you're suffering from hair shedding, try this recipe and you'll be amazed by how your hair will automatically stop losing a lot of hair. Like you stop losing a lot of hair. So flaxseed has an amazing benefit for hair growth. It's packed with vitamin B, it's packed with omega-3 fatty acid. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to nourish your scalp. If you have dandruff, use flaxseed and you'll have a cleaner scalp. So I'll just wait. After that, I'll be washing my hair with a baby or any mild shampoo you have, and this is what my hair looks like after washing it. So we're going to move to the next step of how to use flaxseed for your hair growth. Okay fam, so please keep on watching. So right here we have the ingredients we'll be using for this. Is a deep condition. We'll be using flaxseed as a deep condition. I'll be using avocado, banana, mayonnaise, the remaining flaxseed from our previous flaxseed gel. This one we're going to blend this to get the nutrients, the juice, so we're going to be blending all this together. And I did a full detailed video concerning this treatment. I'm just going to be leaving them down in the description box or somewhere in the card. Please do well to watch those videos so that you can understand the ingredients and understand the benefits of this flaxseed I'm using. Okay guys, so I will strain this to get out the juice, because it's the juice we need. We don't need the chaff. So I'm just going to strain this and get the juice. So I added mayo and honey, and I'll mix this, then I'll apply this on my hair. So before we apply this on my hair, I just need to dehydrate your hair, like hydrate your hair. If your hair is dehydrated, you need to hydrate it, and just cut your hair in sections, and so that the application can be much easier for you to apply this all over your hair in sections. So this is what the flaxseed looks like. I'll just be applying this all over my hair and detangle along the way. I detangle and be applying this, and this is kind of messy, but just try and do it little by little so that you don't get messy all over the place. So I am done with all the sections of my hair. I'm just doing a more detailed video on how to apply this on your hair. Just start from the root, after the root to the top, to the end of your hair. The ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, and they intend to break very well and have knot on it. So this is what my hair looks like after applying this flaxseed on my hair. It gives coils. Are you seeing those coils? Then I've washed my hair. This is what my hair looks like after it's been washed. And we'll move to the next part of this. So guys, this is the third way we'll be using flaxseed for hair growth. Okay, so we'll be infusing this flaxseed with hibiscus. So I'll just be cooking these two together, and this is gonna be a leave-in condition to help you to moisturize your hair, to help you to seal in moisture. If your hair is dry, damaged, breakage, this leave-in condition is gonna help you out to stop it from breaking, from being dry. Your hair will be 100% moisturized, guaranteed. Like, guys, this treatment, these three combo together did wonders on my hair. I love the consistency of this gel because of it's red and it's kind of different. So I added oil to this. You can add olive oil, you can add jojoba oil, you can add any oil you have. You can just add this avocado oil, castor oil, whatever oil you have, just add it to this treatment. And this lasted a while in my, because after I used this, I stored this in my fridge and it lasted me for 1 week, and after 1 week I disposed of this DIY. So this is what the oil looks like. Just going to apply this all over my hair. And yeah guys, so if you want to braid your hair, you're suffering from hair loss, your hair strand is not strong, try use this recipe and you'll be amazed by how your hair will become more stronger, and you will see some growths. You see growths on your hair, and it helps to stop hair loss. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So fam, I will see you all in my next one. Thank you all for the love and for the support. I really appreciate. Bye guys.